everyone. I'm Abubakar Sadiq Khadija, and I'm here to make a brief summary on the history of the press. The history of journalism spans the growth of technology and trade, marked by the advent of specialized techniques in gathering and disseminating information. Before the printing press was invented, word of the mouth was the primary source of news. The evolution of press was founded by James Augustus Hickey in 1780. The press started when the oldest direct handwritten news sheets circulated in Venice as early as 1566. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in 1439. Therefore, information could be spread more widely and rapidly. Newspapers have always been the primary medium for journalists in the 18th century, radio and television in the 20th century, and the internet in the 21st century. The first press was so important because books could be produced much more quickly, efficiently, and cheaply. Until today, the press is important because it informs, educates, and entertains the public.